Welcome, here I've got REALME X50 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera location tags at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and as you can see for now we are in the standard photo mode, so let's go to more advanced options. We can do it by tapping on this button here in the right corner, and it gives us access to 3 other buttons. For now we are interested in this one from the right. When we pick this, we can open the advanced camera settings, and as you can see at the third position here we have the location. So by using this button we can easily turn it off and turn it on like that. This is how it works here. And also the important information here is that to make it work correctly, when we really want to save the actual location of our picture, we have to be connected with the internet, for example with the Wi-Fi, and we have to turn on the location service of this device. So remember about these 2 parameters to make it work. And for now let me keep this turned on, and let's go back to the camera to take a picture. And now let's move here to the left corner at the bottom. When we tap on this, we get quick access to the gallery, so this is our picture. And as you can see here we have the Krakow, so greetings from Poland. This is the short info about the location we are. And to get access to more advanced details, we have to go here to the right corner at the bottom to more. And from here we have to pick details. And as you can see here we have the more advanced details about the location with address. So this is how it works. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.